Space travel has fascinated humanity for decades, but with it comes a plethora of myths and misconceptions. Today, we're diving into 5 common myths about space travel, all debunked by real astronauts. From floating in zero gravity to the realities of space food, let's separate fact from fiction and discover what it's truly like to explore the final frontier. Myth number 1. Floating in space is easy and fun. Many people believe that floating in zero gravity is a carefree and enjoyable experience. However, astronauts reveal that adjusting to microgravity can be quite challenging. It requires training and mental preparation to navigate and perform tasks in a weightless environment. The novelty of floating can quickly turn into a struggle to maintain control and avoid motion sickness. Myth number 2. Space food is unappetizing. Another common myth is that space food is bland and unappealing. While early space missions had limited food options, today's astronauts enjoy a wide variety of meals. From pasta to desserts, food is specially prepared to be tasty and nutritious. The only real challenge is the absence of hot, fresh food, but astronauts have adapted well to their culinary circumstances. Myth number 3. Space is completely silent. Many imagine space as a place of complete silence. While it's true that there's no sound in the vacuum of space, inside the spacecraft, it's a different story. Astronauts are constantly surrounded by the hum of machinery, air circulation systems, and communication devices. So although the outside is silent, inside it's anything but quiet. Myth number 4. The space station is a pristine high-tech haven. People often picture the International Space Station, ISS, as a sleek, spotless, high-tech wonder. In reality, the ISS is more like a cluttered research lab. With limited space, equipment and tools are stored wherever they can fit, making it challenging to keep everything organized. Astronauts spend a lot of time maintaining and repairing systems, making it a constant work in progress. Myth number 5. Astronauts have to be superhuman. The idea that astronauts are superhuman beings with extraordinary abilities is widespread. While it's true they are highly skilled and undergo rigorous training, astronauts are regular people with a passion for science and exploration. What sets them apart is their perseverance, teamwork, and ability to adapt to extreme environments rather than any superhuman traits. Living in space presents unique challenges that aren't obvious from Earth. Daily routines involve adapting to limited resources, strict schedules, and coping with isolation. Everything from sleeping to brushing teeth requires careful planning. But despite these hurdles, astronauts continuously conduct groundbreaking research, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. These myths often persist due to media portrayals and a general lack of understanding of life in space. Movies and TV shows often depict space travel in ways that are far removed from reality, leading to misconceptions. While the truth may not be as glamorous, it's equally fascinating and awe-inspiring, reflecting the dedication and resilience of those who venture beyond our planet. As space travel evolves, more myths will likely arise. With plans for lunar bases and Mars missions, it's essential to approach space exploration with accurate information. The more we learn, the more we can appreciate the extraordinary efforts of astronauts and scientists who make these missions possible. Space travel is a complex, challenging, and incredible endeavor. By debunking these myths, we can better understand and appreciate the reality of life in space. If you enjoyed learning about these myths and want to know more, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content on space exploration and beyond.